So we're in Manhattan Beach, and just a really cool project that we just finished. This is actually between two buildings, two houses about 2 blocks from the beach. This is Manhattan Avenue right there. And we got it filled with mother ferns and campanula. And there's star jasmine up here that we're going to train to go up the building. And also some abelia because they love shade. Actually, all these plants love shade. The abelia, which get pretty yellow flowers. The campanula, which gets pretty purple flowers. And then the mother ferns that just love shade. And so as we go up to the steps, this is what the homeowner sees. It was just a kind of a old rusty apartment building, and now voila, water wall. This water wall is about 18 feet. It's got Mexican pebbles in the bottom. We've got an OASE Aquamax pump on here, Aquamax 1400. We've got FX Luminaire lights. They actually zone dim, and they also change color. They're not on right now, obviously, because it's the daytime. But just to give you an idea of what is possible if you only have, gosh, this must be 6-7 feet. That's it, because the rest of it is just building. Here in the beach area, you don't get much yard. But if you want to maximize your yard, this is what you do. You put in a water wall with lights, and they zone dim. And this water wall is about 6 feet tall, by the way. The top part doesn't have water coming out. It's mainly just for blockage of this building in the back. And what we did was, there's another shot overview of the side. When it rains, we wanted something to hold the hillside down to prevent soil erosion. So we actually put in this swale that'll actually help water to exit, because we don't want too much water between the buildings. I want any liquefaction there. This is a Distinctus buccinatoria. It's a otherwise known as a trumpet vine, and this is actually going to crawl up this wall. We've got the wire attached there, and it's going to run along the top here and add another maybe 2 feet. So it'll virtually, you'd have to look for this apartment building in the back. Otherwise, the homeowners will be able to enjoy their backyard. So a water wall, you can see the water that's actually coming out of a slit. Okay. And there we go back. Okay, thanks for joining us for Manhattan Beach, California.